passion, all in this atmosphere. No fear, less tears, only time to catch my breath. I felt to inhale, your love could stretch my chest.